Hello, in this lesson, we are going to solve the simultaneous equations by elimination method. Simultaneous equations are the equations that involve two unknowns and they are solved together to find the solution of x and y unknowns, two unknowns. So I'm going to use the elimination method here. However, we can also use the substitution method to solve these simultaneous equations algebraically. And now here's a simple question that has two equations, and I'm going to solve this question by elimination method first. And the second question that I will be solving would be a little more complicated. So let's start the solution by rewriting the equations. As you can see in these two equations, that plus y and minus y, they have the same value of y and y in the both, but with plus and minus. So if we add these two equations together, this y would be eliminated from the equation. So equation number one, equation number two, we can say that by adding one and two equations one and two, we get 2x plus 2x would be 4x, x minus y would be 0. These would be cancelled out with each other when we add them, and 12 plus 8 would give us 20. So x here, 4 is getting multiplied with x, it will divide 20 on the other side. So 4 5s are 20 and we get x is equal to 5. If we substitute the value of x in either of 1 and 2 equation, we will get the solution for y as well. Okay, substitute the value of x in substituting the value of x in equation 1. Okay, so we get 2x plus y is equal to 12. So since x is equal to 5, so 2 into 5 plus y is equal to 12, and 2 multiply 5 would be 10 plus y is equal to 12. This plus 10 would go on the other side and become minus 10, and we will get the solution for y is equal to 12 minus 10, that is equal to 2. That's it. In the question number 2, we have a little complicated question equations, and let's see how we can solve these equations too. 2 by elimination method. 2x plus 5y is equal to 29, one simultaneous equation, and the other simultaneous equation is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So, okay, equation 1, equation 2. Okay, let's see if we can eliminate these. We cannot simply eliminate this equation because there is 5y and there is 2y. On the other hand, there is 2x, there is 5x. So we cannot eliminate any of these simply as it is, but we need to first multiply some number with both of these equations to make them, to make any of the value from x or y same, having the same coefficient. So we need the same coefficient of x or y on both the equations to eliminate them. So we can, here we can see that we can simply eliminate. If we multiply 5 with this equation, we will get 10x, and if we multiply 2 in this equation, we will get 10x as well, and we can then simply solve these equations to eliminate x. Okay, so let multiplying 5 with equation 1 and 2 with equation 2. Okay, by multiplying 5 with equation 1, 5. This will become 5 2s are 10x, 5 5s are 25 is equal to 9, 29 5s are okay 145. And when we multiply 2 with this, 2 5s are 10x minus 2 2 are 4y is equal to 0. Okay, so we multiply this equation number 1 by 5 and equation number 2 by 2. Okay, now simply we can, if we subtract the equation number 4 by equation number from equation number 3, we can eliminate x. Subtracting 4 equation from equation 3, we get, so these would be cancelled out and we will get, when we will subtract, this will become plus 24, 5 plus 4 would be 29y. Okay, 29y is equal to 145. 29 would divide 145 on the other side, and we will get, when we divide 145 by 29, we get actually 5. That is the answer. So here is the solution. X is equal to, here is the solution for y. And now we have to find the solution of x by putting the value of y in any of the equation 1 and 2. So I'm going to put its value in the equation number 2. That is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. As we get, y was 5, so substitute y is equal to 5 in equation 1. Okay, so we can actually get the value of x by putting the value of y in any of the 1, 2, and 3, 4 equation, as the equation 3 and 4 are the other form of equation number 1 and 2. So we can put its value in any of the equation to find the answer. Okay, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So putting 5 in x minus, okay, and what is y? 5 and is equal to 0. Okay, 5x minus 2 5s are 10, and then this 10 goes to the other side. It would be plus 10, x is equal to 10 by, okay, 10 by 5, and we get x is equal to 2. So here the solution of this question is, these equations is 2 and 5. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. That's it.